that one is violet, the gorgeous one. I'll give you another one. This is a vanilla. Hello, beautiful girl. And for you two gentlemen, food is made out of wood. Hello, beautiful. How are you? Did you want to try one of these?
Yes, a little bit later.
Sorry?
A little bit later, of course, I want to try. This is the magic, yeah?
Sorry?
This is the magic.
Well, it's beautiful essences. Are you more floral or are you more sandalwoody?
Sandal, yeah. I'm
Here
sandal
we go.
lady.
This one's called Sahara. There you go. Give it a little rub. If you're a crazy user, 6 months. If you're really, there's some people who are just very crazy. Which did you have that you like so much?
I think I had.
Oh, you like this one? Yeah, come and try these now. Are you more floral or are you more sandalwoody? Today I want to smell like sandalwood. Sorry? Okay, well this one is called Sahara. And it's a blend of sandalwood, patchouli, and cedarwood. Oh, if you just press it, it's an oil blend, you just rub it gently. They all come in this bottle.
Roll it on.
And then if you have any other favorites, just tell me and I will try and find
Because they don't have alcohol, they don't evaporate straight away. They lose your scent.
Yeah. So they're both Sahara girls. Remember the name. This one is what this. Oh, this is a pretty girl's bottle.